Thanks, Aaron. So let's say that you've been putting off replacing your old windows and patio doors. Your home is probably not as energy efficient as it could be, and that means you could be wasting money every month on energy bills. I spoke to David Reber, General Manager of Renewal by Andersen, about the differences in window materials. David also shared what Renewal by Andersen learned when they pulled their windows from homes they were installed in more than 20 years ago. David, Renewal by Andersen does not sell vinyl windows. Why is that?
Well, Belinda, with our seasonal weather extremes here in Kansas City, vinyl windows just won't last. Think about a vinyl fence. When you first put it in, it looks pretty good. But as it gets exposed to our weather, it expands and it contracts, warping, and it can eventually crack. The same thing can happen with vinyl windows. And that's why when you get seal failure, your windows lose their energy. We replace thousands of vinyl windows every year, even in newer homes.
So if you're not using vinyl, what type of window material does Renewal by Andersen use?
All of our windows are made with our exclusive composite material called Fibrex. It's 2 times stronger than vinyl and it won't bow or crack, even with our extreme temperature swings. Our Fibrex material offers everything you should expect from your windows. It's energy efficient, strong and durable, virtually maintenance-free, and it's really beautiful.
And it sounds like there's a lot of science behind that. And when people are coming to you, it's because windows and patio doors are your specialty. Is that right?
That's right. A company that occasionally installs windows is really not a window expert. They might be great at siding or gutters or roofing or whatever else they do, but it's hard to be an expert at windows unless you build and install them every day. Managing the sale, manufacturing the installation, all of our windows and patio doors is all we do, every day, all day. That means if there's any sort of issue that comes up with your installation, or if you need a specialty window of some kind, you can believe we've probably seen it before.
Your windows are installed by certified master installers. That's a big title. What does it mean and what differentiates them from contractors?
We're very particular about who we hire to install our windows and doors. Our certified master installers are hand-selected by Renewal by Andersen and thoroughly trained under intense supervision. Our installers must prove they can meet our exceptionally high standards before they ever step into your home. And it's not just their exceptional work that makes them special. They're always willing to go above and beyond what's required to ensure our customers have a fantastic experience.
And we have some feedback from one of your customers talking about an installer. Let's hear about that experience.
The front door, the knob on my front door had broken a few days earlier. And as they went out, this installer came back and he fixed the doorknob for me. He said, "That's been bothering me all day. I hope it's okay if I fix it." And I said, "Man, you just saved me something because I didn't know how to fix it." So I thought, he didn't have to do that, but that was really nice of him to do it.
Wow, and you can just hear the smile in that man's voice, probably so happy that that installer did that for him.
That's so cool.
So Renewal by Andersen performed a durability test on windows they installed in some Minnesota homes more than 20 years ago. What did they learn from that study?
Those windows passed several rigorous performance tests on site and in our lab. And that's after more than 2 decades of cold, snowy Minnesota winters and hot, humid summers. The windows were still very strong and easy to open and close as the day they were installed. And there were no cracking, peeling, or other signs of damage. Every day we replace windows that are less than a decade old. But after more than 20 years, our windows were scientifically proven to stand the test of time.
And I feel like they were probably dealing with half a year of cold months there in Minnesota.
Oh, you know how cold it gets, extremely.
Well, thank you so much for your time, David.
Thank you, Belinda.
Renewal by Andersen offers free in-home appointments, or for your peace of mind, you can schedule a virtual appointment and receive an exact price quote from the comfort and safety of your home. And right now they have a very special 1-month only window and patio door flash sale that's going on now through August 31st. You'll save $335 on every window and you'll save $835 on every patio door. That's with 0 money down and 0 interest for 3 years. This amazing sale ends in 7 days. Call 913-228-3311 now to schedule your appointment.